Dripping. These old chicken wings. Salt. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of this Cajun Yum Yum. Available at CajunCreoleCuisine.com. I'm gonna throw a little squeeze of mustard in there too. Now we're gonna make us a little batter, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, all the same seasonings from the chicken, and a little optional secret ingredient I like to add to my batter sometime. Choo-woo! Go in there with a couple pieces of your chicken. Once I got that all piping hot, drop them in there. You don't want to overload your grease because your fire gonna drop too low and then it ain't gonna fry right. Woo. Give me a little bite. Gots to have that Louisiana.